In this video, I will show you how you can have different type of meteors. Just look beautiful. We can shoot them and destroy them as well. And we have this small one as well. Beautiful. Let's see how we can do that. Next thing that we want to do with our Meteor base is to use all the sprite that we have for the meteors. For example, if we click on Meteor sprite in here, you can see if I click in here, we have Meteor big sprite, right? And we want to randomly select one of them each time that we spawn a meteor, right? So for doing that, there is lots of way, but I think the best way is to do it in the Meteor base and use a variable for saving all the sprites in it. So in here at the begin play, what I want to do at the end of it, I want to get this paper sprite and set a sprite on it, set sprite, right? Just like that, and connect it to here. Now the sprite that I want to use, because we don't know if this meteor base is a big meteor base or medium or a small. Right now we don't know that. That's why I want to promote these to a variable. So promote it to a variable and we can call it Meteor sprites, right? Why I'm calling it sprites? Because if I disconnect this with holding Alt and click in there and delete it, I want this to be an array. And how we can change this to array? Variable type, just click in here and change it to array. Now if we hit compile, it can save multiple value inside it, right? For example, we want 4 of them because the big meteor has 4 of them, right? So in here I will search for big. This is the first one, again search for big. This is the second one, and again search for big. This is the third one, and this one again, search for big. This is the fourth one, right? Now we have all 4 big meteor sprite inside the variable, and we can get this variable and randomly get array item, right? And connect it like this to here. It will randomly give us one of these meteors that we saved inside these meteor sprites, right? It's good. No, if we put some of them inside our level, so in here, let's just go to left side, so it will be easier to put things in our level. Put another one and put another one. Right now, all of them looks the same, but if we run, you can see they are different. They are different type of meteors, and it's working fine. So it will randomly select one of these sprites and it will show it to us. Now, how we can use this, because we have different type of meteors, right? So let's see. If we go to content drawer in here, I want to create some child blueprint from this meteor base. So right click on it, create child blueprint, and I want to call it BP Meteor big. Right click on it again, create child blueprint again, and call it BP Meteor medium, right? Again, right click on it, create child blueprint class, and this time call it BP Meteor small, right? Now we need to go inside them. For Meteor big, if we go to class default, you can see the meteor sprites are okay, and it's set by all the big sprites. Meteor big sprites, right? Now, if we go to Meteor medium, let's see what will happen. In here, again, it's using those 4 big sprites, and we don't want that. We have 2 medium meteor sprites, so let's just add 2. And in here, I want to search for Meteor brown, Met1, and again, search for Met3, right? Now, this is 2 meteor medium. That's it. No, because this parent begin play is connected to here. This code that we add to the begin play of our enemy meteor base will happen as well. So it will randomly select one of these meteors that is inside this variable, that for the meteor medium, it has if we go to class default, just these two. We need to do it for the small one, so BP Meteor small. And in here, if you go to class default, again, it has 4 of them. We need to delete them and add 2 because we have 2 small one, right? So search for a small Meteor brown small one. And for the next one, again, search for small and this one. No, it will randomly select one of the small ones for us, right? This is art of parent and child blueprint in Unreal Engine. Now let's just test them. If you go to our level, I want to delete some of these and now put, for example, medium. Let's just add a small one as well. You can see at the beginning it's big, but if we run, you can see they are small. Beautiful. Just look at it. 2 small one in here, we can add them. Beautiful. One thing that we shouldn't forget is to go to each one of these meteors and change the box collision on them. For the big one, it is okay, but for Meteor medium, if you go to viewport and go to left side, you can see it's not okay. For us to be able to change that, we need to click on the paper sprite and change it to, because this is the medium one, change it to one of the medium, and now change the size of the box like this. This is the medium one, and that's it. Beautiful. For this one, it is okay. And when you change it over here, the sprite over here, it is okay because in the begin play of the Meteor base, it will be changed. Randomly select one of the medium, right? So it's okay to change it over here for now. If you go to Meteor small, again, we need to click on paper sprite and select one of the small ones. Just search for it, the small one. And in here, again, let's just go to left side so we can see it better. Now we can change the box collision size like this, make it a small, and no, that's it. Beautiful. Now we can test it. If you run, you can see we have different type of meteor, and we can destroy them as well by hitting them or shooting laser at them, right? Beautiful.